Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Marketplace in Postifluence. Let's begin! Another cool thing about Postifluence is that you have a full-fledged marketplace right inside it, which is really helpful. With the marketplace, you can either sell your services or you can buy services. So if you got a blog and you want to offer guest posts to other people, you can do that on the marketplace or vice versa. So when you click on the Marketplace tab on the sidebar, you can search for the popular top domains here. Just type in a keyword, and you will find all the websites that are connected to those niche, like these websites about Medic. Let me click on one to see more details. Here you can see the domain details, and a brief description to it. The price is also listed on the side. Below you'll see the overview, traffic, country's traffic, and traffic history. For overview, you have the global Alexa rank, the links counter, what language is it, the total response time, or if it's an adult content, and the country rank. And let's also take a look at the country's traffic. On the left section, you'll see what country with its rank, page view percentage, and user percentage. On the right, you'll see the graph of the in-depth country-wise rankings. And same goes for the traffic history. Now going back to our marketplace, you can sort it out by their domain names or by date. So let's try to search for a niche. Let me type in a keyword and click on search. Then the websites found are listed below. You can send mail to that domain just by clicking on this button. You can talk to them about what you want done or talk about the price and things you both offer. You can also add a domain to the marketplace just by clicking on this button. And then fill out the domain details, like the web URL, site name, the price, an email address, and you can also enable the Do Follow button. Type in the description for it, and add in keywords for it. You can type in multiple keywords for it to be found easily. Then save your changes, and your domain is added successfully. You also have action buttons for each list, wherein you can edit the domain. Just don't forget to update your changes every time you edit it. And also the delete button beside it. So the marketplace is going to be a big win for you or for everyone because you can talk to each other. You can offer guest posts, you can buy guest posts, you can even trade if you want, which again helps you build organic links and great blogs. And that ends our video for today about Postifluence Marketplace. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your email templates on Postifluence. As always, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.